Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is my third episode and I'm so excited because actually this is the first time I'm talking about my drawing. So before we get into that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rizky Kohar and this channel name is Kohar Project, which mainly we're going to talk about the lifestyle of cabin crew or Indonesian that living abroad, and also about drawing, digital art, and maybe some anime, manga. And as you can see, I'm a geek with the stuff going on behind me. And yeah, so let's get into it. Yeah, what I'm gonna draw today is actually very simple. It's one of my colleagues right here. Yeah, she's gorgeous, I know. It's simply because I think this one is very relevant with my job at the moment, and I just want to see how it is when I turn her into become my artwork style with the manga style, you know, with the big eyes, this Japanese cute anime style, and I hope you guys still can see the resemblance. And for anyone who wants to know what kind of equipment that I'm using to make this YouTube channel, I already put it down below in the description, and mostly I got them from the Amazon.com here in Dubai, so you guys can click the link, check it out for yourself, and yeah, let me know in the comment. And as a media, I'm using my iPad here, so while I'm drawing, I'm just gonna put the time lapse there, and simply because this is not a tutorial, this is just me drawing something really special. I will tell you the backstory of what I'm drawing later in the video, so stay tuned. So now the the sketch, line art, and the coloring is done. It's time for me to just add some more extra, like the highlights or shadows or something like that, to just make it more like soft and smooth. And for now, we're gonna add some highlights on the eyelashes. Okay, so now one eye is done. I'm just gonna go to the other one and do exactly the same thing. Now it's time to color the outline. For example, the lips. Instead of black, I'm just gonna use like kind of same, no, like actually a darker shade of the color of the lips to make it more natural as well. And yeah. And now to make the eyebrow look more natural, we just remove the outline of it and then smoothen out the edge. So this is actually pretty much done. we just gotta tweak here and there a little bit more, put some filter on, and make sure everything is in place. And yeah, I'll come back. Alright, so after a little bit of tweak here and there, put some filter and then put some background, this is the final result. Yay. I hope you like it. This is just a simple thanks from me because you share my YouTube video on your Facebook and Instagram account, and I really do appreciate it, so more people can see my art and my channel. And yeah, I hope you like it, Hanna. I'm just gonna put a little bit here to make it more personalized. There you go. Ta-da! So yeah, this is the result. This is for you, Hanna. I hope you like it, and I'm gonna send the drawing right back to you now. And for the backstory that I mentioned before in the beginning of this video, it's actually very simple. It's just the way I say thank you for someone who actually supporting me in this channel, because on my second video about the Eid, she just out of nowhere posting my video on her feed on Facebook, Instagram story, and I really appreciate it so much. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and then comment down below. And also, oh yeah, just check out my Instagram as well if you want to see the artwork that I already post. And don't forget to subscribe, ring on the notifications so you won't miss any new video from me. And I think the sun has going down, so that's why it's getting a little bit darker here. And also, I'm very sorry about the quality of this video. It's because I'm using my phone at the moment. I don't know why. My camera simply not working today. I mean, I've been trying to fix it, but still not turning on. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like my drawing and then support me on this. And see you on the next one. Bye.